Hello, students. I welcome you all. Today, we will study Chapter 7, that is Practical Geometry of Class 7. In this chapter, we will study how to do construction of triangles. So, students, first of all, I would like to tell you that construction of triangles is done on different bases. I will tell you this with the help of mind map, and I hope you all will understand. So students, let us see. Students, this is mind map for chapter Practical Geometry. In this we will do construction of triangle, and the construction of triangle is done on these four bases. First one is construction of triangle when length of three sides are known. Second one, construction of triangle when measure of two angles and one side are known. Then construction of triangle when length of two sides and measure of angle between them are known. And the fourth one is we can construct a right angled triangle when length of one leg and hypotenuse are known. So let's have an example. So students, now we will do one example, that is construction of a triangle ABC with side AB is equals to 7 units, angle A is equals to 45 degree and angle B is equal to 70 degrees. So let's start the construction work. First of all, in order to construct this triangle ABC, we have to draw a line segment AB of 7 units. So let's have a line segment with the given length, that is, we have given 7 units. So this we got a line segment having 7 units. Now we have to draw angle A, which is given to be 45 degree. So for this we have to go on angle option, angle with given size. Then we will click on angle B and then angle A. Here we will put 45 degrees counterclockwise. So here we get angle A, that is alpha, is equals to 45 degree. So we get point B dash. So B dash is a point which we get by rotating B 45 degree counterclockwise to A. Now we will join these 2 points A and B dash, that is we will draw a line from point A to point B. So we will get this line. Now we have to draw an angle B, which is given to be 70 degrees. So we have to go on angle option again. Angle with given size. Now we will click on angle A and then on angle B. Here we put the value which is given, that is 70 degrees. And here we will do the option clockwise. So here we will get angle B, which is 70 degree. Now we have got a point A dash. Now we will join this B point with this point A dash. We got the point of intersection now with these two lines. These are point of intersection, which is point C. So we get 3 points A, B and C. Now we will remove all these lines over here. Move this line. We will remove this line and we will remove this line too. And we don't need these points A dash and B dash. So we will remove these 2 points to this A dash as well as B dash. So we are left with 3 points A, B and C. So we will draw a polygon over here, that is A, B, C and then again A. So we get required triangle whose one side AB 7 units. Now if we don't want this A and B, we can remove these 2 points. So students, this is our required triangle, which is a solution of this statement. Let's have one more example. Now we construct a triangle with sides 10 units, 8 units and 7 units. Now in this problem we have to construct a triangle which has 3 sides given. Now, first of all, we will draw a line segment with the given length, that is 10 units. Now, we will have, this is 10. So, we get a line segment of 10 units. Now, we can replace this f with the value, that is 10 units. Like this, we will have here value. Okay, now we want line BC 7 units and AC 8 units. Now you go for a circle with center and radius. We will click on point A, that is, and put here radius, its unit. Now we get a circle, right? Now with point B, we will draw a circle with a radius 7 units and we get the circle over here. Now we will get the point of intersection of these two circles, this point which we named as point C. Now we will remove these circles. We'll remove this object. We will remove this circle also. And now we are left with the 3 points that are A, B and C. Now we will join these points, that is, we draw a polygon A, C, B, this A. So ABC is the required triangle which we have to construct. Let us remove this point B and name it with the value, that is 8 units. Similarly, we need the value over here. So this is the required triangle ABC. Now we will remove this value B, 8 units, and now this A we remove and get the value here, that is 7. So this is a required triangle ABC with AB 10 units, BC 7 units and AC 8 units. So students, I hope you understand how to construct a triangle when 3 sides are given. So I hope you will do the similar problems. Thank you.